Nursery class. Now get ready for the activity nursery. What you have to do nursery class, you have to take three computer sheets, one green, yellow. It should be of any color. If you have of any color in your home, you can use from your home. Okay, don't take it from the bazaar. And one nursery class black. Then one UHU stick, one scissors small, one black marker, and one anything of circle shape, and one needle. Okay, nursery class, in which you have a thread of any color that is available in your home. Okay, nursery class, you only need these things. Okay, nursery class, let's start the activity. Nursery class, what I am going to do nursery class, put these. Okay, first fold this. Okay, nursery class, fold, then again fold, and then again fold. Okay, nursery class, make the folding, and now put the circle shape on it, nursery. Draw this pencil with line or marker, anything you think easy for you. Okay, nursery class, now cut this shape with the scissor. Okay, cut it, nursery class, like this, and then come to me. See, nursery class, I have cutted this green color in this shape. Now do the same pattern with the yellow computer sheet, nursery class. Okay, fold it, and fold it, and then make a circle on it, and then cut it, nursery class. Okay, put a circle shape on it, draw it with pencil, and then cut it, and then come to me. Okay, nursery. See, nursery class, your teacher have done these two colors in the shape. Okay, nursery class, and you can take from any color. You can take the yellow one, or you can take the green one, or if you have any other color, you can take from them. Okay, nursery class, what I am going to do, make two eyes from the marker, nursery. Right now I am only drawing two eyes. Okay, oops, oops, you can make a nose. At the end I will tell you that what I am going to draw. I have told you that you have to take one black sheet, nursery. Now what you have to do, draw 9 on it. Can you see? Number 9, nursery class. I am drawing number 9. Okay? And you can draw the number 9, and the 9 should be a thick line. Okay, nursery class. Let's cut these two lines from scissors. Okay? Nursery class, see, I have cut these two lines, or you can see P, anything that you want to say. Okay, nursery class. Now put the glue at the bottom of these 9. Okay, put the glue bottom of the 9 and paste it under the circle. Okay, it's become its here. Okay, nursery class, now put the glue under it and then paste it. Okay, nursery class, now what you have to do, again in the black paper sheet, we have to draw the its feet, nursery class. Feet should be look like 9, like this. Nursery class, like this. Focus on my leg. Okay, nursery class, and cut 10 legs or 9 legs. I think the 10 legs. Cut the 10 legs like this. Okay, I will cut one in front of you, and then you will cut rest of the legs. See, I'm showing you how to cut the legs, and in this activity mama have to help you. Okay, is helping me nursery class for the video making, and your mama will help you in cutting. Okay, helping is the best therapy, I think, nursery class, to make a good society. Thank you, mama. See, this is the leg, and cut 10 legs like this and come to me. Okay, nursery class, as you can see, I have cut the legs, nursery class, but I am not pasting right now. Okay, nursery class, this is the face, and collect 10 alternative colors. 1, 2, 3, then one yellow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's make the caterpillar of 20 up to 20. 10, which color? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Okay, nursery class, we were on the 16. Sorry, my cameraman shifted. 16, so we will put on 17, then 18, then 19, and then 20. You can make the caterpillar of 10 parts, or it's your choice to make off on 20 parts, as I think that the counting for you is getting difficult from 2020 to 1111, so that's why I select the correct 20 parts of the caterpillar. Okay, nursery, now you need a thread. Okay, now nursery class, what you have to do, getting difficult for me, wait. Okay, nursery, what you have to do, take the needle and take it from the downside. Okay, like this. So mama will do this. Okay, nursery, I do this because it's not come on the back side. Okay, it doesn't look nice. Now again put on the face. Okay, nursery class, and one by one on all the circles. So nursery class, see, I have put the needle in all the circles. Now take it out. Oops. One by one, okay? Don't get panic like me. Okay. Like this. Okay, nursery class. Settle like this, nursery. If you make the 10 parts of caterpillar, it may be easy for you. So you can make 2 caterpillars. Okay, you can make your 2 toys in one day. Now nursery class, what is the second thing you have to do? You have to write the counting on them. Okay, nursery, like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and nursery class, write the counting up to 20. Okay, my dear and sweet nursery. 5. Now nursery class, you can see your teacher have write the number of 1 to 20, 20. Okay, nursery class, can you see? So our last step left. What do we have to do? We have to attach leg with every part. Put the glue on the back side of the leg and attach like this. Okay, nursery class, I will do one for you. Like this. Oops, legs don't want to get attached, nursery. What happened? Like this. Put the glue on the back side of the and attach like this. Okay, nursery class, one more for you, nursery, so you don't need to get confused. Okay, nursery class, I think it's better to make 10 parts because maybe it's difficult for you to handle the 20. Okay, if you want to make the 2 caterpillars of 10 parts, it would be better option for you. Okay, nursery class, now teacher will join the legs of all the parts and come to you. G, nursery class, my beautiful caterpillar with numbers is ready. You can read the forward counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 and move on to up to 20 20. You can see my cables, nursery class. I am doing the activity, that is why. Okay, nursery class, now what you have to do, you have to read the backward counting like this, nursery class. 20 20, 19 19, 18 18, 17 17, 16 16, 15 15, 14 14, 13 13, 12 12, 11 10, 9 8 7 6. Nursery class, this is the way the teacher is moving backward. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, nursery class, and it's the face. Nursery class, I make a toy for you, like you can play. Now nursery class, what you have to do, you can move the thread by this side, nursery class, and if you want to put it say in a safe zone after playing this, oops. Okay, when you get tired of playing this, you can move all the circle like this and make it move the thread like this. Okay, and put in the mama purse or any cupboard in you want, you think this is safe. Okay, and the caterpillar is ready. Goodbye, have a nice time, nursery class, and inshallah we will meet on Monday with next maths class. Goodbye.